Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you how to buy Lumosity Premium. First of all, after installing your application, just go to your Lumosity application and here we will find these 3 points icon that is saying more. Then here in the first button we will find learn about premium. After we click on it, you will choose your plan that you want to subscribe in. But you should know that it gives you some 30-day or a 14-day free trial. Let's just choose a monthly plan and then we will just click on subscribe. After that, depends on your application or on your operating system, it will give you the window of to insert your payments to insert your payment information. Then let's just subscribe and then we will agree on the term of services and the policy, and then we will accede to give or to provide the byline informations. Then here for the iPhone application or for the Apple Luminosity, you will choose your bank account or your byline method. For me, I will just choose my bank card and I will just add my informations. And after you are inserting your byline method or byline information and you will accept or uh, click in OK or finish, you will have now your uh, Lumosity Premium application and now you can play these games that all free or all the premium games that are disponible here or available in this Lumosity application. So those are the steps to buy Lumosity Premium. Thank you for watching and goodbye.